Who remembers the name of this book? Or maybe someone can read it for me. Milla?
What is an insect?
What is an insect? The book is incredible because it asks the leading questions. So you're able to hear what the kids already know, expand on that, and think about our own environment and how we can relate it to that.
There are so many different ways that children can communicate through the arts, through writing, through oral language, even through some of their scientific explorations. And so we need to be able to find out what children know and what interests them. And if we only provide one way, that's not going to happen.
A beetle.
No, it's not a beetle. It looks a bit like the beetle we saw earlier. Do you know what it is? It's a cricket.
I was gonna say.
You're going to say a cricket?
Is that a butterfly? Yeah.
Well, this one's singing right here. But he isn't like you. He doesn't go la 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 la. To make noise, he lifts his wings up and he rubs them together. And he goes...
Where did we find bugs?
On
On the ground, on the trees.
Ants everywhere. We caught one. A big one. It's a big one. Some have wings and some can crawl fast. And one is like a mean bug. Yeah.